Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we explore how to create a business lifestyle image body flow using Puppet Warp in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and load a lifestyle business image. I pause because flow in body language creates emotion. I duplicate the layer first. I convert it into a smart object to stay safe. I go to Edit and activate Puppet Warp. I slowly place pins on the shoulders, hips, and legs. I stop and think before moving anything. Business visuals need subtlety. I gently rotate the upper body to feel more open. I add a control pin near the waist to prevent distortion. I zoom in to check edges. I adjust the leg angle slightly so posture feels natural. I pause again.